Welcome back to Car Reviewpedia, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles. Today, we're diving into the review of one of the most iconic motorcycles to ever hit the roads, the 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a motorcycle enthusiast, the Hayabusa has always held a special place in the hearts of many. But does the 2025 model live up to the legendary status? Let's find out. First, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa stays true to its aggressive and aerodynamic look, which has been one of its defining features since the beginning. However, this year's model has been given a few tweaks that refine its overall appeal. The body is more sculpted, with sharp lines that convey a sense of speed and performance. The front end features a sleeker, more modern headlight setup, adding to the bike's futuristic look. There's a perfect balance of form and function, with the new design enhancing both its aerodynamics and visual presence on the road. Under the hood, the 2025 Hayabusa packs an impressive engine. Suzuki has kept the same 1340cc, inline-4 engine that the Hayabusa is famous for, but they've made a few modifications to improve efficiency and overall performance. The engine now comes paired with a new 6-speed transmission, providing smoother shifts and better power delivery. It still produces a jaw-dropping amount of horsepower, pushing the Hayabusa to impressive speeds, while offering a thrilling acceleration experience. The 2025 model feels incredibly fast, yet remains stable and balanced, even at high speeds. Whether you're looking to push the limits on the highway or take it through twisty roads, the Hayabusa doesn't disappoint. One of the most notable upgrades to the 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa is the electronics package. This model comes with a suite of advanced features that make it stand out in the performance motorcycle market. The new ride-by-wire throttle system provides more precise throttle control, giving riders an even more engaging and responsive riding experience. The bike is also equipped with a range of riding modes, allowing you to tailor the performance to your preferences, whether you're looking for a smoother, more comfortable ride, or an all-out, aggressive track experience. The electronics package includes traction control, anti-wheelie control, and cornering ABS, ensuring that the Hayabusa is not only fast but safe as well. When it comes to handling, Suzuki has taken a big step forward with the suspension system. The 2025 Hayabusa features fully adjustable front and rear suspension, offering a level of customization that riders can appreciate. Whether you're riding on smooth highways or tackling twisty back roads, the bike's suspension system provides a smooth, controlled ride. The handling feels incredibly precise, allowing you to carve corners with confidence and stability, all while maintaining a high level of comfort. Now, let's talk about comfort. While the Hayabusa has always been a performance-focused motorcycle, the 2025 model makes significant improvements in terms of rider comfort. The seat has been redesigned for better ergonomics, providing better support for long rides. The handlebars are slightly more adjustable, giving riders more control over their riding position. Whether you're on a long-distance tour or hitting the track, the 2025 Hayabusa offers a more comfortable experience without sacrificing its aggressive edge. In terms of technology, the 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa doesn't leave anything to be desired. The bike comes equipped with a large, color TFT display that provides all the information you need while on the road, including speed, fuel level, gear position, and more. The display is bright, clear, and easy to read, even in direct sunlight. You'll also find Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to connect your smartphone to the bike for easy access to music, navigation, and even calls while riding. On the road, the Hayabusa continues to deliver an exhilarating experience. Its raw power and speed are what make it a true superbike. The wind protection is excellent, allowing you to maintain high speeds without feeling like you're battling the elements. Despite its size, the Hayabusa feels agile and responsive, especially when cornering. The brakes, too, are top-notch, with the dual front discs providing strong, reliable stopping power whenever you need it. So, who is the 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa for? This bike is perfect for riders who crave performance, precision, and speed. Whether you're an experienced motorcyclist or someone looking for a bike that combines everyday usability with track-level performance, the Hayabusa delivers. It's an all-around powerhouse that blends aggressive design, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional handling into one package. In conclusion, the 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa lives up to its legendary status and then some. With its improved design, enhanced electronics, and refined performance, it's clear that Suzuki has put a lot of thought into making this motorcycle even better than its predecessors. Whether you're riding for the thrill of speed or seeking a motorcycle that can do it all, the Hayabusa continues to set the bar for what a high-performance motorcycle should be. If you're in the market for a super bike, the 2025 Hayabusa should definitely be on your radar. That's all for today's review. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Car Reviewpedia for more in-depth reviews on the latest vehicles. Stay tuned for our next review, and until then, ride safe.